Okay, small video clip on Om Sai SP Crown, flat number 101, Kagdaspura. Grill gate, as you can see, and this is the entrance door. I'm entering this way. This is the hall. Movable shoe rack. End of the hall, you can see some shelves, decoration shelves. Uh, the window, which also has a mosquito mesh. You have a fairly elaborate TV unit, very large TV unit, which can actually fit a 40-inch or 50-inch TV. Quite elaborate woodwork. So this is the hall. Dimensions would be provided alongside. Vitrified flooring. A few tiles like this has been replaced during the course of the life of the flat. So we are entering the dining area. Instead of dining tables, we've got foldable racks like these, which serve as dining tables. There's one side and the other one this side. So this whole area comprises of the dining area. Also has a wash basin with some stand. That's the common bathroom, the door to the common bathroom, which you can see here. This is one of the bedrooms. We are entering one of the bedrooms, but prior to that, the common bathroom is Indian style, which you can see. It's got a geyser as well. The geyser has got a line which connects to the second bathroom as well, which means that this geyser serves both the bathrooms. Both the bathrooms get hot water. Fittings in the bathroom, you got the requisite towel stands, the glass shelves, then the soap stand, wash basin, the works. Right. So this is one of the bathrooms, and the view from the bathroom. First is the dining. Straight ahead you have the hall, where you can see the TV unit, and on the right is the kitchen. So we are entering one of the bedrooms now. This bedroom has got a balcony as well, outside balcony. So both the bedrooms are of almost equal dimension. So each bedroom has got fairly elaborate woodwork once again. I've got upper racks as well as a mirror wardrobe. Yeah, you got these shelves. And in the same way, just like you got wardrobes up, you also have wardrobes continuing this side. Right. The good part about this apartment is that there is a huge amount of natural lighting, because it's a corner apartment, corner of the building, and this corner has got both the roads. Maybe outside, yeah. There is this road this side, right? This is 6th G main, and the other road this side. This is 6G cross. Which means that since it's a corner apartment, you got a fair amount of natural lighting which comes in. And so this bedroom, which we have not left till now, it's got a fairly large clothes stand as well. Again, re-entering the dining area, going to the second bedroom. This perhaps is the master bedroom, because it's got an attached bathroom as well. Movable puja room, wherever one wants to keep it. This bedroom, in the same way, we have elaborate wardrobe with a mirror, and there is this loft also above. As you can see, every window and door has got curtain rods. You can see the curtain rods here and here. So this bedroom has got a attached bath. This attached bath is a western toilet. So I'm taking you inside the place. Same model, you got a soap stand, you got a soap rack, western style toilet, then glass stands, towel stand, right? The normal fittings of a bathroom, right? So we are leaving the bedroom, back to the dining area, and from here we're going now to the kitchen. It's an open kitchen, which shares a common wall with the hall, behind the hall. open kitchen. So kitchen is next to the dining place as well as behind the hall. It's a modular kitchen. We'll show you that. You got a utensils rack here, which has to be fitted up on the wall here. You got a chimney, fairly properly working chimney. Just to demonstrate it to you that it works. It's a working chimney. Right. Modular kitchen, as you can see. We'll open some of the, yeah. So you can see that it's a modular kitchen with all the utensil racks in place. Right. Yeah. The kitchen also has a series of these open racks for keeping saman. Above that there is another level, and on top there is a huge loft, completely covering all parts of the kitchen. So this is there. The kitchen also has a utility area, the second balcony, which doubles up as a utility area. It's all covered. We have grilled it completely and also put a roof plastic sheet for rain. There is a plastic sheet here as well. And to prevent birds from coming in, this also is there. This mesh is also there. We have also given an open rack here in this balcony. You can see the funnel out for the chimney. This is the view from the balcony. You got the, as you can see, you got the kitchen. Behind that, the dining table with the foldable dining tables. So I think we forgot to take a view of the main balcony. Yeah, this is the main balcony. This balcony also has these shelves, as you can see, similarly grilled with plastic sheets on the roof. Right. So this, I think, in short, covers our apartment. Other points: 12 flats at OMSI SV Crown. We are in the second floor. This is about 11 years old as of 2016. 2005 is when I think it was completed in construction. So this sort of covers, I think, the small video tour of, there is a lift. Okay, amenities in the apartment. You got security. Security has got a room as well as his own toilet and stuff like that. You got a power backup, a generator which helps in providing power to, I think, one light and one fan per room. Then you got a huge sump for storing tank water. More importantly, given the water problem in Kakadaspura, you got water meters installed for every flat, which means based on your actual consumption of water, you would be billed in the monthly maintenance accordingly. I think that's about it. So a lift is of course there, and the lift has got AMC. It's an Otis lift. Small compact apartment unit. And this is in 6th G main, Kagadasapura 6th G main. Landmarks are Kirti Rivera apartment, which is this building actually, this large building, Kirti Rivera apartment, and the other landmark is Apollo Pharmacy. I'm pointing out Apollo Pharmacy from this side. This is Apollo Pharmacy. These are the two landmarks. There are two ways to come in, either through this road or through this road, the other road. So this route comes from Kakadaspura main road. Kakadaspura main road, there you take a right at Airtel showroom. Airtel showroom is right opposite 6th cross entrance. So you get into 6th cross, keep on coming straight. Dead end is a park-like kind of structure. At the park, you deviate towards left, and you proceed about 100 meters. You will reach this Apollo Pharmacy. and the Apollo Pharmacy, which you can see here. And my apartment is right at Apollo Pharmacy. This is one route. The other route is this. Uh, we actually come from Bemel Gate, Maleshpalia Main Road. Keep on going straight on Maleshpalia Main Road. About 2.5 kilometers ahead, you have more shop. At more shop, take a left. Once you take a left, keep on going straight. The road will curve towards left and right and all. Follow the road. The landmarks there. The first thing you reach Chaitanya Techno School. After that, you have South Indian Bank ATM on the left hand side. Then you have Kakadaspura Club, which comes on the left. Followed by that, you have on the right hand side True Bounce Tennis Academy. Immediately after True Bounce Tennis Academy, you have this road. You can see the auto going just now. That's the road where you need to take a left. So these are the two paths to enter Om Sai SV ground. So I'm stopping the video here. Thank you so much for watching.